The Republic of Seychelles is an archipelago consisting of 115 separate islands, most of which are uninhabited. This is a place where the warm turquoise and aquamarine waters of the Indian Ocean present a vivid contrast as they gently lap up on the soft white sandy beaches set against a backdrop of totally unspoiled natural beauty. The beaches of the Seychelles have been described as being the most beautiful in the world, and few people would disagree. It is hardly surprising therefore that these islands are also sometimes referred to as the Paradise Islands. For many travelers, the beaches alone would put the Seychelles high on any places to visit list, but these islands have much more to offer. The Seychelles boasts 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the first being Vallée de Mai en Praslin, where the coco de mer nuts grow on ancient palms. The second site is Aldabra, which is the world's largest raised coral atoll and the home of the Aldabra giant tortoise.